All right, everybody, here we are. I broke quarantine and went out and got some groceries and stopped off at the local Meijer and picked up a couple boxes of baseball cards for the boys as well. I got 2020 Stars and Stripes. We are prospect hunters in this house, so there are a lot of prospects. There are two autographs or memorabilia cards per box here. There are 35 cards per box as well. And ultimately, some of the bigger prospects are the guys that went in the draft this year, the Adley Rushmans, Bobby Witts, Riley Greens, and then guys that haven't even been drafted yet, guys that are U18 or U17 USA. We have done a lot going to Under Armour All-Star games at Wrigley Field to kind of get up on the prospects that are coming. So, without further ado, Cam, my oldest, is gonna start it off. Trusty Cub Scout knife.
Okay, here's the first pack.
5 cards in them.
Mm-hmm. Cole Wilcox on the back. Robert Hassel. Austin Martin, he's a good one. 2019 checklist, here's a checklist. And Mickey Romero. And Cole Wilcox. Here's what the back looks like.
Pretty cool.
Will Wilson. Lucas Dunn. Nolan Schubart. Nick Lofton. Brendan Oliveira. Stephen Millam. Patrick Bailey. Drew Burris. Bobby Wood Jr., there's one.
Nice.
So that side. And Nick Abel.
Nice.
Anthony Volpe. Alex Burleson. This one's out of 249. Robert Hassel. Austin Hendrick. We like him.
He was at the Under Armour All-Star game last year.
And Drew Romo. Andrew Vaughn. He was also done in the last year. Nolan McLean. Oh, here's our first hit. Cody Schreier. Out of 247.
Nice.
Good.
Spencer Torkelson.
Nice.
Thermar Johnson. Adley Rushman on the back.
Nice.
Veromo. Benjamin Ryland. Casey Optes. Mix Rajic. And Adley. Last pack here. Hopefully we
Gotta
can
be
get.
a hit in here.
Yeah.
Cross your fingers.
Oh, what did it say? Pete Crow Armstrong.
Nice.
Tyler Brown. Carter Boyd is the patch
Oh wow,
auto.
patch auto. Nice.
Ooh. Is this a pitcher? Okay.
Pretty special.
Ben Hernandez and Reed Detmers.
All right, we're gonna pause right there and be back for part 2.